Every gardener knows that celery seeds are notoriously microscopic, extremely difficult to germinate, and grow as slow as a snail in the early stage. Many people have even given up right at the seeding step, but today, I am going to challenge these stubborn seeds. I am going to transform these tiny grains of sand in my hand here into a lush green plump pot of celery in the fastest way possible. Are you guys ready? Let's get straight into it. I fill this seed tray with loose soil. I just need to scrape the soil surface flat and pat it gently to stabilize the soil, but absolutely do not pack it too tightly. I am going to sprinkle the celery seeds directly into each cell in this tray. After sprinkling the seeds, I will cover them with a thin layer of soil. Remember, it must be super thin, everyone, just enough to protect the seeds from drying out under the sun and from shifting when I water them. The celery planting pots today will be a styrofoam box, and these 3 clear plastic bottles The next step is that I am going to cut 3 straight aligned round holes on the lid of the box, making sure they must fit snugly with the body of the water bottles. Everyone. I cut another small rectangular slot on the lid of the box. As for the reason why, please be patient and watch for a few more seconds. For the plastic bottles, I cut off the bottom and drill many small holes around the bottleneck. For the final step, I just need to place the bottles into the pre-made holes on the lid of the box. This rectangular slot will be the place where I add water. Instead of having to lift the entire bulky box lid every time I top up the water, which disturbs the plant roots, now I just need to pour water straight through this small window. The water amount inside the box only needs to be slightly higher than the bottle caps. I mix additional organic fertilizer into the topsoil, combining it with rice husks to create maximum looseness and aeration for the root system. And of course, Trichoderma fungi cannot be missing. This is the guardian deity that helps decompose organic matter faster and protects the celery root system from all kinds of dangerous root rot diseases. Now let's scoop the soil into the plastic bottles. I only fill the soil up to 2/3 of the bottle. Growing celery from seeds is truly a test of patience. After about 40 days of continuous care, overcoming the slow as a snail growth stage, this is my achievement. The young celery seedlings have officially hit the 10 centimeters mark. I transfer the young seedlings to their new home, lift the entire root ball out, then place it straight into the center position of the prepared plastic bottles. This is the reason why initially you should only pour soil up to 2/3 of the plastic bottle. Because after placing the young seedling in, I will add more soil to keep the plant more stable and firm. Look at this. From those tiny young seedlings back then, now they have grown plump and 5 to 6 times taller. The branches and leaves are lush, carrying a vibrant green color. Looking at this pure white long-tangling root system, no wonder the plant has such lush leaves. I try lifting the box lid up. Oh my God, 3 extremely healthy root systems. I chop the orange peels finely, add 1 spoonful of sugar and warm water, stir thoroughly and incubate for 1 day. The next day, the solution has turned into a cloudier color. I pour the solution through a sieve, filter out the residue, and dilute it with clean water, and I have a type of nutrient water that both strongly stimulates root growth and emits an essential oil scent to repel destructive insects and aphids extremely effectively. Look how tall my celery pot is, everyone. The plants are healthy, lush green, and completely free of pests and diseases. Look at this monster root system, pure white, dense, and tangling long like this. No wonder the celery clump above has such lush leaves and plump stalks. Extremely satisfying, isn't it, everyone? Who says growing celery from seeds is difficult? Let's roll up your sleeves and make a box like this at home right away, guys. Wish you all success.